Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Yeah. And today, guys, here with Valiant and Stalk Ashley with a song called Narcissistic. So we are gonna jump in that one there and listen to what the G and Ashley are say. So let's jump straight tonight. Let's not waste any time. Let's go.
Somebody pinch me, know my team, me dreaming. You fuck a gal, I know she breathing.
Huh? What? What you say?
Somebody pinch me, know my team, me dreaming. You fuck a gal, I know she breathing.
You're too insecure, up in all your feelings.
She said she fuck a girl and know she thinks the girl breed. What?
Somebody pinch me, know my team, me dreaming. You fuck a gal, I know she breathing.
You're too insecure, up in all your feelings. And when I mean you want leave
You
me.
respect me for dumb. Would I do anything for ya?
Just stay.
Oh.
Baby, I'm sure I can't do this anymore.
Yo, me shouldn't fuck her. Me shoulda lower.
I think I know what Guanya saw. So basically, him do fear part, she do theme part. I think that's what the first part is about. So because that is something that a guy would say. Him fuck a girl and now she a breed. There's no way a woman can say that. But yeah, the video clean. Like the video clean.
I can't do this anymore.
Yo, me shouldn't fuck her. Me shoulda lower. Lose such a good woman. One night stand. Yo, me shouldn't fuck her. Me shoulda lower. Lose such a good woman. One night stand.
Fuck love, can't do it 'cause you're toxic. I'ma not deserve this.
Yo, this bad blood clot, this bad brother.
I can't do this anymore.
Yo, me shouldn't fuck her. Me shoulda lower. Lose such a good woman. One night stand.
Basically, him fuck it one time when she breed. We man got through them thing the most time, like enough time, like one fuck, girl breed, and things. So sometimes you can lose your whole family over that. When I say family, I mean your immediate family, like your wife and your kids them, cause you don't know if the kids them upset them now go on their own, you, or if mommy upset and them say the mommy upset them not go dislike you too, cause you make mommy upset. I want to touch on the Valiant range, bro. The man vocal, bro. Like the man a gear, like in a St. Mary and Science and them sang there and bounce check in an account and them sang there. Him a sing another one. That one him a sing. Yo, man.
Me shoulda lower. Lose such a good woman. One night stand. Yo, me shouldn't fuck her. Me shoulda lower. Lose such a good woman. One night stand.
Fuck love, can't do it 'cause you're toxic. I'ma not deserve this. You took me from a situation I was hurting. It's funny how you turn around and do the same thing.
Happened so many times. Yo, them two, yeah, I think these two make a very good couple. Let me just say that. Basically, she was going through something and meet Valiant. This is what the song is saying. I'm not saying this is what is happening. This is what the song is saying. She was going through something and she meet Valiant. Obviously, Valiant makes you feel, comfortable back in her skin. Feel let down her guard for your next man. Now him do the same thing to her. Yo, this bad.
Can't do it 'cause you're toxic. I'ma not deserve this. You took me from a situation I was hurting.
Yeah.
It's funny how you turn around and do the same thing.
Yeah.
Real girls are real things. All the money and the bling, baby, it don't mean nothing to me.
So she a real girl. Your money and your bling and your fame don't mean nothing to her. You see me? All she wanted was for you to give her the treatment that you would like to receive as a man. And you couldn't do that. You fuck her one girl and breed it. Like, she hurt again.
Girls are real things. All the money and the bling, baby, it don't mean nothing to me. You can keep the dollars and the rings. Cause for my love, not cause fuck you asleep out. Biggie, you me out and you abuse it, use it, say you lose it.
So she has said, once again, let's reiterate. So she has said again, me give you my art. Somebody just follow up on Twitch, big up. Me give you my art and you use it and abuse it. Like, yeah, come on, like.
You asleep out. Biggie, you me out and you abuse it, use it, say you lose it. Fuck you and your bitch, my nigga deuces. Cause if me stay, not gonna be an easy fit. Stay, I can sneeze till you wake. I'm not gonna be an easy fit. Stay, I can your bitch, my nigga deuces.
Voila, me like the part here.
You abuse it, use it, say you lose it. Fuck you and your bitch, my nigga deuces.
Fuck you and your bitch, my nigga deuces. Peace out, I'm gone. Cut. That's what she has said. Not me, of course.
You abuse it, use it, say you lose it. Fuck you and your bitch, my nigga deuces. Cause if me stay, not gonna be an easy fit. Stay, I can sneeze till you wake.
She has said, yo, if she stay, it's not gonna be an easy thing. It basically, she gonna give one basically. Cause you know when you sneeze, Jamaican say, yo, answer your milk. When you go to answer your milk, that means say, yo, your partner fuck on you basically. So she has said, yo, if she stay, that's how I gonna go on. Like, you're not gonna stop sneeze. Sneeze, I gonna kill you. You're gonna wake up and don't sneeze.
Stay, not gonna be an easy fit. Stay, I can sneeze till you wake. I'm my love, I'm gonna get leaves. And if my left, you know you can't see if you are saying to the fuck.
Yo, Stalk actually cute though, you know, bro. Stalk actually cute, you know, man.
Such a good woman, one night stand. Yo, we should've forgot. We should've lied. Blue, such a good woman, one night stand. Pull up night, not a crowd. Don't leave me alone.
The boss put up at the yard, not the crowd, and come out with him speaker box and play the music for you, so come outside. Love song, makeup song, the boss and play. Let me see if he win it.
Not a crowd. Don't leave me alone. Tell me how the fuck if I know. I'ma love you and you know. Tired for quarrel. How much time me I gonna tell you sorry? Me are the worst. Tears from your eyes cause me know you hurt. Yo, we should've forgot. We should've lied.
Whoa. This are every man's worst nightmare. This are every man's worst nightmare, fellas. Don't be doing this shit. Like, don't, like, stay away from this, bro. Like,
Yo, we should've forgot. We should've lied. Lose such a good one night stand. Yo, we should've forgot.
hold on. More point out something, and me nah put down that girl here. Let's point out something how we man stay. Me have to talk for the man. The man, if you don't like it, me no business with doing, me talk a truth. We normally have some girl or woman our yard then. We look 10 times better than the girl them out the road. Where we are run down, where we are try fuck. You see me? In this case, to me, Ashley look nicer than she. Even though she acting out, don't get me wrong, she's nice. She's cute. But for me, Ashley more attractive to me. Everybody have them preference, but Ashley more attractive to me than she. So, him basically have a pirate's dish in my yard and then throw it down and gonna take up an enamel plate. Not saying that she's an enamel plate. I'm just using that as an example. So we man always do them shit, yeah, bro.
Sorry, me are the worst. Tears from your eyes cause me know you hurt. Yo, we should've forgot. We should've lied. Lose such a good one night stand. Yo, we should've forgot. We should've lied.
Me like this how me like too. Not a video, yeah. Me like the fact say she nah have a go at the girl. She nah try fight the girl or nothing like that. Cause the girl don't owe you no obligation at the man. At the man owe you obligation. So obviously what a throw them face, you know. Yes, what a cool in the weather. That's my face. He probably never expect that. The part that probably wasn't even scripted in the video. Look at him face. Fuck yo. Yo. Not a nipple.
Reminiscing on you, just give me a heart. I'm a broken record. Yeah, see the phone ring.
Get back your money, mama. Are your man? To be continued. I would, yeah. More see the continuation of this Narcissistic. Yeah, good song. Me love this.
If I king can shoot this, it's not shoot good, brother.
Yo, me love this. Honestly, me love this. Yo, good video, well put together, well put together. Don't worry about that something with another shot. That's just my driving simulator song. But yeah, great video. Stalk Ashley, well done. Good vocals. The video clean. The video compliments for what one in it. Not the lyrics. Valiant, your range is out of this world, bro. Like, continue putting in the work, fam. Don't worry about the hype. Just continue putting in the work. You understand? And it will take your places. But this song is great. Love this song. Love this song. Love this song. And earlier on, when I referenced about the man, them always pick up some woman out the road but don't look better than woman. Not saying that the girl in the video, but she's hot. She's nice. Stalk Ashley is nice too. But for me, if I was to choose out of two of them, Stalk Ashley would be definitely the number one. I could see these two being together in a relationship. Like, I think these two would be very good together. I would like to see them together. Two great young talent. Sing J, Valiant Abundant Road, Stalk Ashley Abundant Road too. So great collab, great song. Great rhythm, great video production. King can pick up himself. Production team behind that also pick up himself. Anyway, I'm dropping this on a Christmas day, so have a Merry Christmas. For me, Christmas day. For Uno, it's probably different. But yeah, big up on yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright? Peace.